Good afternoon, folks. It's Laura Mitchell reporting to you live from the Digital Health Summit CES 2016 show floor. I am standing in the ReSound booth, and I've got Ditlev here that is going to tell us a little bit more about what ReSound is.
Well, thank you for coming to the ReSound booth this afternoon. ReSound is a hearing aid company, and we do the world's smartest hearing aids. We did the world's first made for iPhone hearing aid. And what that means is that you are able to connect your hearing aid directly to an iPhone, an iPod, or an iPad and stream any sounds of those devices directly to your hearing aids without having to wear anything around your neck like competing systems. All of the sounds that you can find on your device, be that a phone call or a video call, sound, podcast, even navigation cues, will be streamed directly to the hearing aids. We also have developed an app that lets the users interact with their hearing aids and let the users personalize their hearing aid in a totally unprecedented manner. I can show the app here,
very small.
And you see the device next
discreet
to it. This screen, you have access to the volume control on each of the ears. And you can also toggle through various programs, and we even let users have access to more advanced signal processing features. Noise reduction is an important part of a hearing aid, and in this particular case you can control how much sound do you let in and how much ambient noise do you reduce. You also have access to the microphones on the hearing aids, and here you can decide how narrow do I want to focus in on the person I'm talking to, or do I want to widen it out and let sound from more speakers into my hearing aid. So we focused a lot on empowering the user and providing an experience that is as personal as possible. Previous, you just sort of put the hearing aids on and had to get on with it, but now you're able to sort of take control of your own hearing experience and personalize it much more. And that is what ReSound is all about and what we're showing at the booth.
Right, and it sounds like you've almost taken away the stigma of having to wear a hearing aid. So now instead of having that stigma, you're empowered, you can control your own destiny, as it were. And you also, it looks like there's different situations that you might be in that you'd want to, change the sound quality. Maybe at a basketball game, it might be a little different than
Absolutely.
At a family dinner or something like that.
That's completely correct. The stigma is certainly an issue. We try to think about design a lot. We know that's a concern for people with hearing loss. So you might be able to see how small the device is, but all of that advanced signal processing and connectivity is built into a device that is that small, and it's virtually invisible when it sits behind the ear.
Well, I can see one. Yeah, it's hard to even
and
tell.
that's one part of it, and then the other part is, of course, also to reduce the barrier of using a hearing aid, and that's what we're trying to achieve with the app, making it as easy and as seamless as possible.
Well, folks, you can come and see for yourself. They've got a great video showing some live testimonial case studies as well. So come to the ReSound booth at CES Digital Health Summit.